Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of iPhone users: how to delete those sneaky hidden apps on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS updates making things even more streamlined, this process is quicker than ever. Whether you're trying to free up storage space or just declutter your device, I've got you covered in this step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. First off, what are hidden apps? These could be apps you've tucked away in folders, restricted via screen time, or even ones that Apple hides for security reasons. To start, unlock your iPhone and head to the home screen. Swipe left all the way to access the app library. This is your one-stop shop for all installed apps, including the hidden ones. If an app is hidden due to parental controls or screen time restrictions, go to Settings, Screen Time. Enter your passcode, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to Allowed Apps, and toggle on any apps you want to unhide. This step is crucial because you can't delete what's not visible. Once your apps are visible, it's deletion time. Long press on the app icon in the app library or on your home screen. A menu will pop up. Tap Remove App, and then confirm by selecting Delete App. Poof, it's gone. But a quick tip: some apps, like built-in system ones such as Camera or Messages, might not delete. Don't force it. Apple's design keeps these for a reason: to maintain device stability. In 2025, with the latest iOS features, you might also see an option in Settings, General greater than iPhone storage to manage apps more efficiently. Use this to check app sizes and decide what to remove. Remember, deleting apps can help boost your battery life and performance, so it's always a good idea to keep things tidy. There you have it. Simple, right? If you run into any issues, double-check your iOS version or restart your device. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below with your questions. See you in the next video.